Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I need to clean my fridge out because I went grocery shopping, and as you can see I have no room to put anything. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and empty everything out. As you can see, it is just a bunch of gunk on the shelves. These shelves you can remove, but for time purposes, I am just going to be cleaning them while they're in there. I need to do better because it's been about a month since I last cleaned them. This is everything that came out, and I was really shocked because not everything, not even a third of everything is going back into the refrigerator. So now I'm not taking any chemicals because this is the refrigerator. I'm just taking some warm soapy water and just a cleaning rag, and I am just going to scrub these things down. And now I'm just going to be taking a dry towel and wiping everything down, and then we're going to go ahead and start putting stuff back. So all I did with the drawers was wipe them out and kind of reorganize it. So I got all my vegetables in one, and then my cheese and meats in the other. So this is what we're looking like afterwards. It looks so empty to me. I'm having the urge to go ahead and go shopping again and refill it. But now that I got the inside all clean, I cannot forget the outside. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm taking that same rag that I cleaned the inside with, that was just with warm soapy water, and I am going to scrub the outside. It has some gunk like some food and fingerprints and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the outside, and then I'm going to dry it off, and then I'm going to be using my stainless steel wipes to actually buff it and shine it. Now that I got that taken care of, I cannot leave dishes in the sink. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the containers of food that I threw away. I'm just going to go ahead and pop those in the dishwasher. Now I'm going to show you everything that I got from Walmart, starting off with these fresh muffins. I have the chocolate chip and the banana nut muffin. My family loves those. Got some green peppers and some tomatoes for some meal prep that I'm going to be doing. Of course, my family loves the donuts. Also got some pancakes over there. Another thing of eggs. I had to check because my sister picked it out, so I had to make sure that nothing was broken. So then we got a whole bunch of applesauce and some cream of wheat. My grandmother eats that kind of stuff. Waffles for me because I've been craving waffles. Then we got some smoked sausages and then bread because my family loves sandwiches. We also got a whole bunch of different kinds of soup. It is cold here. So it's nothing like some hot soup on a cold day. The staple is chicken nuggets. Then I got these granola bars. They are so good. The peanut ones, I think they come in like cashew and some other ones as well, but that's the one I like. I got some steak and chop. I love this. If you put this on some chicken, it is so good with some green peppers, which is why I had the green peppers. Then I got some barbecue sauce and some syrup because we were running low and I like the butter flavor. Got some more lunch meat. My daughter loves turkey and cheese sandwiches. I got some coffee and some coffee creamer. I don't particularly like hazelnut, but my mom does, so I picked that up for her. I got some pita because I've been craving like tuna on pita bread. Got some chips, and then this is my daughter's birthday cake. She wanted an ice cream cake. She did not want a theme cake this year. She's turning 7, so as per her request, that's what I got her. Then I got these drinks. My grandmother does have G-Tube, so those are her nutritionist drinks that she has. Then just some milk for the kids. They do drink 2%. They can't tolerate whole milk. And then I got some ginger ale for me because I have been feeling a little sick lately. We got some Pop-Tarts. And then I had just picked up the same thing that I just showed you. I totally forgot to film an outro for that. I kind of just cut off. But so that is everything that I picked up from Walmart. The cake actually came from Myers. And the boxes that you saw at the end, they were the same things as the little bottles, my grandmother's nutritional drinks. But they just came in the cases, and it is cheaper to get the cases, but since they only had 2, I had to pick up the individual bottles as well. They come in a pack of 6. So So that is everything that I picked up. That's pretty much our staple of what we pick up like on a bi-weekly basis. But stay tuned for the monthly haul. All right, you guys, I see you in my next one.